loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to get into the nails today, honey, and I am so excited. But you guys already know the drill. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time your girl posts a new video. Now, with that being said, we are going to jump right into it. Today is going to be a huge, when I say huge, huge haul featuring SHEIN. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Their press-on nails. I have over 15 to be exact, so we're not going to make this introduction long. Let me just remind you guys, I am all about convenience, affordability, and style. I like to be bougie on a budget, okay? The average price is about $2 to $3. The designs that they have, unbeatable, so trendy. I have seen a lot of these designs done professionally for hundreds of dollars. Like, I just feel like if you can save in certain areas, why not? And personally, I am not an acrylic girl. I've tried it a few times in the past. I don't like how it makes my nails feel. I respect it. I love seeing it on other girls, but personally, I cannot have a set like this in real life that were acrylics, because if I feel like I can't take them off, I will go crazy. I will feel like something's on my hands that needs to get off. So the ability to easily just take these off, that's your girl, okay? So I have over 15 press-on nails to get to. So let's just hop on into it. All right. By the way, I will include a card on how I apply my fake nails at home and make them look really professional and last a long time. These are also SHEIN nails and I'm obsessed with them. They are a cow print and they're different colors, as you can see. Y'all can't tell me this does not look professional, honey. But let's just jump on into everything. The first pair I want to show you guys, this is a nude set. And it has two accent nails with little butterflies. By the way, all of SHEIN press-on nails come with about 24 pieces, a little mini file, and little glue tabs that you can put on. I pretty much never use those. I use my own nail glue. If you check out my tutorial, you will see the glue that I suggest for them to last a very long time. But yes, all of their nails come with a little file, glue tab, and about 24 pieces. This one is super cute because it's nude, but it has a glossy finish and these really gorgeous, tiny, detailed gold butterflies that I think is just perfect for a fun little occasion or a birthday, honestly. So love these. Let's get into this next set, honey. This is definitely a vibe. It has a ombre finish, so the very bottom of the nail, it's like this clear, it's like a very clear tone that gradually gets peachy pink. And they feature some accent nails that have these gorgeous rhinestones that just catch the light so perfectly and have this gorgeous gleam to them. So these are probably going to be like my birthday nails. Again, I love the size of it. It's like a medium shape. And it has a nice shiny finish to them. Also, I'm showing you guys this in the packaging, but I have had the time to like take these all out and like test them, put them on my nails, see how I feel about them. So there has been some testing done behind the scenes. So this one, I was a little disappointed. I thought these were gonna look more clear tone, like pick up your actual nail bud, but it's a very like pink, yeah, like a pink base, which I'm not a fan of, but overall the design is really cute and trendy. It just has a bunch of blue swirls, different shades of blue. They are long nails. Also, I didn't like the sizing of these nails. They're very, very slender, so you have a difficult time kind of like making them fit every nail. At least I did. So this one was kind of a miss for me. Overall, though, I like how trendy the design is, and it also has a shiny finish to them. Most of these have glossy finishes. You can add a top coat, you can add a matte coat. Some people have experienced the cracking of the design, so I typically stay away from adding any coats to it. I just go with the finish that it comes with. These, again, are super trendy. I love the vibe of these. They include little swirls to the nails, very abstract. And the colors are just really cute. It's definitely giving me Chill House vibes, if you know that nail salon in New York City. The nail sizes are a little chunky. Like, I feel like you have to file them a little bit. But overall, I do like them. It's not as clear as this. It has a little bit of a pink base to it, but definitely not as pink as the other one. Alright, so these definitely give me like an orange popsicle vibe. It has a little dainty white line. It's like a white curved line along with a orange line at the top. It's very light, very like delicate vibes. The size of it is kind of short. Again, glossy finish. Personally, this was a miss for me. It just wasn't giving. Again, this is me trying them out. I didn't glue them on. None of these nails I glued on, obviously. But these are reusable, by the way. But I didn't glue these on. I just didn't like how they fit. They looked a little... It made my nails look chunky. So I am obsessed with these nails. I actually haven't worn them because I want to save them for a very special occasion and like have a photo shoot with them. I just think they're so gorgeous, and this is what I'm talking about when I say they have designs that look super expensive. So this set, y'all, it is a cloud set. It has rhinestones, it has glitter, it has art. Like, it's just so stunning. So I think it's a little bit of a trend when it comes to these like spirally design nails. For some reason, personally, I feel like the nail bud, like the bottom of the nail, it's a little wider and chubbier versus like the long nails. You know what I mean? Like, they fit me a lot better when it comes to the shaping and finding my right size. But when it comes to these like short, medium-sized nails, it can be kind of difficult to find the sizes for me, so I have to like file them, or just kind of, you can like, if you really look at the bottom, that's what will really show you like, oh, that's a press-on nail, because like sometimes it'll be a little over, or like you'll see a little bit of your nail. So yeah, this design, again, I think it's trendy. It's like a turquoise minty green vibe. I like the design. Again, chill house vibes. Like, it's very artsy. I think it's cute. For the price, I really don't have complaints. So these nails I have worn a lot. You have seen them on my channel, especially when I did my like aloe vera video of me slicing up the aloe vera. I am obsessed with these. It's just like a variety of everything. You have different colors, that little cheetah print vibe. You have a white nail in there. Just all these accent nails you can use. These are reusable, so that's why this is like scattered over the place. There's like residue glue on some of these nails because I've worn these more than twice. They last a really long time. I just love this set. I think they're gorgeous, and I'm probably gonna buy more. Get into the design of these. So you have all shades of pink. You have the white. You have the swirl. It looks so professional to me. This finish is matte. It's like a gorgeous matte finish, which is rare for them. Again, the sizing of these, I feel like it just fits better. Gorgeous design. It looks expensive. Like, this looks like you went to the salon, if you ask me. This is my rose quartz set. Now, this isn't the actual crystal. Overall, I have no complaints. Like, I just love how gorgeous this looks. The size is nice. The shine to it is beautiful. I'm obsessed with these. Now, these were like their Halloween edition. I just got them because I wanted to see how like detailed the design was in person, and I'm impressed. I do think this gives on a press-on vibe. Kind of reminds me of like nails that little kids get in those little play sets, but that's fine. I think the flame is cool. I love the little like card and squares. And the girl looks like impressive. It looks like a Bratz doll. So I just wanted to include like some of my short sets. But like I said, in my experience, the short sizes have been the biggest flop for me, which sucks because I love a short set. That's just my vibe. But they seem to just like pop off really quickly. But this is just like a green set. I also have some nude nails in here that I plan on reusing, so don't mind that. But this is cute. It's like a vibe. It has a dark green, a light green, some like little heart accent nails in there. And yeah, really cute. Again, these will come off quickly, at least they have for me, so thread lightly when it comes to these. It has my heart. I love this set. I have worn them already. As you can see, I plan to reuse them. The color, gorgeous. I wore them at the beginning of fall. Got so much compliments. It has a lot of different like accent nails. It's like a gorgeous army green. Oh, I just love this set. The size is perfect. Now these are just such a cute spin on like a French tip nail for me. As you can see, it's not a French tip. Like, it has like the little spiral design, but it's just so gorgeous. It has the color scheme. I had to get a backup. I absolutely love this set. I've worn this exact design before on vacation, and it lasted for about 2 weeks. 2 weeks! I got these babies for fun. It has a neon green spiral design with little rhinestones on them. Again, when the light hits it just right, they look so expensive. Like, the shine is there. Also has a glossy finish. It is a little paler than I thought it would be. Like, it's neon green. Again, online, I thought it was gonna have like a really clear base to it, but it has more of a nude, more of a nude-ish pink base to it. So overall, I'm pleased with this. This is a hit for me. And then last but not least is the set that I have on right now. Obsessed with these. The length is just super cute. Again, I like that I can pop these off pretty much in like a day or two, because I personally don't like wearing super long nails for long periods of time. Overall, I love how professional and seamless they look. And the design is just so gorgeous. So one side is brown, the other side is blue. Of course, you can switch them up and put it on every other nail. I just chose to switch it up and have 2 different colors on each of my hands. And basically, it's just like a cow print. The little dots at the base is just a cute detail. I just think these are gorgeous, honey. Gorgeous. So that is it. This was a pretty lengthy video, but I really hope that it was worth it for you. SHEIN is kind of that girl, especially when it comes to press-on nails. If you're like me, you just want to have fun, you don't want to break the bank, and if you want to be a baddie on a budget, or, you know, just go all out for a fun occasion, whether it be a birthday, vacation, photo shoot, whatever it may be. Again, personally, I think you might as well go big or go home. I think the longer nails tend to look a little more professional in terms of the sizes that they offer and like just the overall acrylic vibe. But I like all of the designs. I think the quality is great, especially for the price point. They typically last about a week, but the shorter you go, in my experience, the least time you have with them staying on for long. So you may just want to have your glue and like the backup pieces just in case. So yes, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. What do y'all think? Like, are you gonna try them out for yourself? Let me know. That is it. That is all. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys very shortly in my next video. Mwah!